Welcome back, Frac Crew. It's Jared with Frac Daddy Barbecue. Guys, today we're going to be doing a twist on our original jalapeno popper dip that we did about a year ago. Today we're going to be doing it different. We're going to be using some homemade andouille sausage, and we're going to be putting a Cajun flair to this dip. Everything that's going to go into this is going to be Cajun, but the great thing about this, all the ingredients you can find at home yourself, from any kind of breakfast sausage to bacon or whatever you like. So let's get this video started. I got 5 smoked jalapenos that's going to go in the cream cheese. Now if you don't like this much heat, by all means just go ahead and take out the seeds, but we like the heat. Second off, we have anywhere between 3/4 to 1 pound of our homemade andouille sausage. If you want to see how we did that, we will put the link in the description. So this goes in. We're going to be using a ranch packet. We're going to be using Fiesta because this is a little Cajun flair and we like a little festive. So we're going to add about a half. You can eyeball it to your liking. Now my favorite seasoning from PS Seasoning is Bad Juju. This stuff packs a punch. So guys, if you're wanting to try some PS Seasonings, the great thing about it is I became an affiliate for PS Seasonings, and they're going to give you a 10% discount when you use Frac Daddy, all capital letter, at your checkout. So if you want to go get some, make sure you use Frac Daddy, all capital, to get you some great seasonings from PS Seasoning. Now guys, if you don't have Bad Juju right now, by all means you can use your favorite Cajun seasoning. Second off, we're going to be using garlic powder. We just got some onion powder and we're going to be doing equal parts with this. Now our little favorite that we like to do, this isn't minced garlic, but we have cumin. Now I will tell you, cumin is very powerful, so you don't want to use too much of this because it may overpower it. I would say at least 1/4 teaspoon because it's going to give it that nice smokiness that Melissa and I both really love. Now we're going to go in with one of our 2 bags of cheese. We got double pepper jack cheese. We're going to use this whole bag in here.
I think you needed a bigger bowl.
I do, but we'll make it work. Okay, so we need a bigger bowl. So here I got a big old glass bowl. I'm just going to mix this all up. So guys, I wish you could really smell this. This smells absolutely amazing. Now, some of this inspiration of us kind of thinking out of the box came from Malcolm Reed, because this guy is always thinking of different kind of football snacks and party stuff for his guests. So we're thinking outside the box, and we hope this is going to become a touchdown at your next football game. As you guys know, I'm a Cowboys fan. I'm probably going to get a lot of grief about it for being a Cowboys fan, but leave a comment down below. Tell me who your favorite football team is and who you think might go to the Super Bowl this year. So, let's try this dip and see how it is. It's all mixed up. Let's get us a little taste test. Make sure you get a little bit of everything in here, guys. If it tastes as good as it smells, we're going to be in for a treat. I'm going to add a little bit more Cajun to it, the Bad Juju. But one thing I want to tell you guys, when you use these ranch packets, do not go adding any extra salt. That has plenty of salt. Your cheese has plenty of salt. And I promise you, if you put too much, if you add any extra salt, it's going to be super salty. So we're just going to add a little bit more Bad Juju. Hey, did I tell you guys this? The best part about this dish, it's smoked. Anything smoked is killer. So I got my Green Mountain Grill going on. We're going to put it on about 225. And let me show you something else. It's going to go in our cast iron. And look how good of a job Melissa did at cleaning my cast iron. Guys, if Melissa can do it, your wife can do it. Make sure your dish is very well oiled and seasoned, because it will help it from not sticking. And I will tell you this, my jalapeno popper dip has always been a big hit with everyone, from first time triers to repeat offenders that love this dip. We're gonna go put this on our smoker at 225 for about 40 to 45 minutes. And we're gonna be using a mixture of post oak and a little bit of hickory that I have left over. So we're almost to the point of being done. We're about 40 to 45 minutes into our Cajun inspired jalapeno popper dip with our twist. Now, as if it wasn't enough cheese already, here we have another 8-ounce bag of 3 cheese cheddar and a half of would you say about
half a pack.
About a half a pack of cut up bacon crumbled up. So after we put that cheese on, we cranked our heat up to about 350 degrees so the cheese that we added gets all nice, ooey gooey and melty. And I can't wait for you guys to see how it turned out. Now, I don't know about y'all, but this looks absolutely amazing. Here we have some green onion that we're just going to sprinkle on top of this because I think it's just going to be a nice little touch of color. Boy, let me tell you how good this looks, y'all. We have different options. We have tortilla chips. We have Fritos. We have Ritz crackers. We have club crackers. I tell you what, your options are endless to what you want to use. I bet you if you were even to use like those little bread crostinis would be absolutely amazing. Now let's come in here and try this. Alright, I'm going to go with a Ritz cracker because I think that would be really good. So let's try to get a little bit of everything in here. This is piping hot still. Let's give it a taste. For y'all's pleasure, I may burn my mouth and may lose all my taste buds because of how hot it is. But it's worth it. I'll tell you what, y'all. This is the MVP of any dish that you could probably bring to any Super Bowl party, football party, tailgate party. Follow this ingredients, what we have here, but you can also make it your own from, like I said, breakfast sausage, chorizo, whatever you like to put in this. So guys, leave me a thumbs up and tell me how good I did on this, and we will see you in the next Frac Daddy Barbecue. See you later.